Hello, my dear children. This is Nisha from Pudukudiyiruppu. I'm your English teacher. I nicely welcome you all to a new lesson. Today, we are going to learn a beautiful and a useful lesson, but the task is for you. You have to find out the lesson what we are going to study today. So that is your duty to assume what is the lesson today. So my dear children, I will give some clues. Right, in your next slide, look at the pictures carefully. Here are some pictures I gave you. You have to look at the pictures first carefully. I will give you some time for check out the pictures. What's that? What's that? What's that? You can ask yourself what is about it. So my dear children, now I'm going to change to next slide. So are you all ready to guess the lesson? Right, please look at the pictures carefully. There's a house or a living room and a mirror, building, a football player or football court. Right? So I think someone guessed the answer, guessed the lesson. Right. Now, in this slide, I'm going to ask a question to you. You have to tell the answer. What is the shape of the roof? Here I gave the picture. Right, this picture you already have seen in the previous slide, but here I gave one by one in another slides. So here is the first picture. For this picture, I'm going to ask this question: what is the shape of the roof? What is the shape of the roof? So you all know the roof, right? It is in black color. Now you have to find out the shape of that roof. What's it? Your answer may be it is triangle. So your answer could be it is triangle. So in your next slide, your question is what is the shape of the football? So you all know about the football. So you have to find out the shape of football. What is the shape of the football? What is it? What's the shape? It is circle. You can see the answer here. It is circle. Okay, in your next slide, what is the shape of the mirror? Right? What is the shape of the mirror? What's the shape? It is oval. What's that? It is oval. Right, in your next slide, what is the shape of the building? What is the shape of the building? It is rectangle. What's that? It is rectangle. So your last slide, what is the shape of the wall frame? Here are, I think, two wall frame. You have to see the wall frame which is near the wall clock. There is a wall frame which is near the clock. So I am asking about that particular wall frame. What is the shape of the wall frame? What's the shape? It is square. So my dear children, I think you have come. What is we are going to study today? What's the lesson? What is our lesson about today? What is it? Could you guess? Yes, shapes. So today we are going to learn shapes, right? You all know about shapes. There are so many different kind of shapes we can see in our environment or in our in around us. Now I'm sorry, my laptop in on my table, right? Here I'm going to explain one shape or more than two shapes for you for some example. So listen carefully. Now my laptop is on my table, right? On my table. Here my table surface is the shape of rectangle. So my table surface is the shape of rectangle, and I have your book, pupils book for grade 4. This book, the shape of rectangle. And today I have had my breakfast in a plate. That plate was circle, right? That plate is circle. And I have a notebook here. I have a notebook here. That notebook is the shape of square. And also I have a bottle, water bottle, right? I have a water bottle. This water bottle is the shape of what? Say, this water bottle is the shape of square, right? And yes, here is a stand fan. This stand fan face, so the upper place is the shape of round, it is circle. So my dear children, there are so many things near you, you can find out their shape easily. In right here in your book, they have given you 1 2 3 4 5 shapes, the basic shapes. You are going to study about the basic shapes, okay? Right. The first one circle, the second one oval, the third one rectangle, and the fourth one square, and the last one triangle. So my dear children, this is the basic shapes which we are going to study today. So now I'm going to show the shape and their spelling. So we have to make sure on the spelling too and the pronunciation, right? The first one is circle, right? The first one is circle. You can see a circle, the shape of circle here. And now we are going to spell for circle. C I R C L E, circle. And again C I R C L E, circle. Now you have to spell for circle. I will give some time. Please spell for circle. Right, very good. I hope you have spelled right. In your next slide, I gave you the shape of oval, right? You know, oval shape. You can see in your home there is yes, I have in my room there is the mirror. It is the shape of oval, right? And jackfruit, watermelon, there are so many things in the shape of oval. Right here we are going to spell for oval, O V A L, oval. And again O V A L, oval. Right, my dear children, this is your time to spell for oval. Okay, thank you. Right, in your next slide, I'm going to show the shape of square. Right, square. Okay, shall we spell for square? Yes, S Q U A R E, square. And again, S Q U A R E, square. Okay, my dear children, this is your time to spell for square. Right, very good, square. In your next slide, the shape of rectangle, right? Here, the shape of rectangle. Now we are going to spell for rectangle RECTANGLE, rectangle. And again, RECTANGLE, rectangle. Now, my dear children, this is the time to you to spell the word for rectangle. Right, very good. Now, the last one, I think, the shape of triangle. And again, please say the word triangle. Yes, very good. Now let's spell for triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. And again, TRIANGLE, triangle. Now, my dear children, as usual, this is your time to spell the word triangle. Sorry, triangle. Yes, very good. Right, now, my dear children, we have learned some shapes, the basic shapes. Right, here we go. The first one, circle. The second one, oval. The third one, square. The fourth one, rectangle. And the last one, triangle. So how many shapes we have learned now? There are 5 shapes. What are they? Circle, oval, rectangle, square, triangle. So now we are going to learn the Tamil meaning to the shapes. Here பாருங்க பிள்ளைகள் வடிவா கவனிங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து ஷேப்ஸ் படிச்சினாங்க. அந்த ஷேப்ஸுக்குரிய தமிழ் மீனிங்கை தான் நாங்கள் இங்கே பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சர்க்கிள். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நாங்கள் வந்து என்னடா பிள்ளைகள் உங்களுக்கு உங்களோட அட்மாஸ்பியர் உங்களோட என்விரான்மெண்ட்லேயே நீங்கள் தேர் ஆர் ஷோ மெனி ஷேப்ஸ் வந்து நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. நார்மலாக இப்போ எந்த ஒரு பொருளுக்குமே ஒரு வடிவம் இருக்குது, விளங்குதா? எந்த ஒரு பொருளுக்கும் ஒரு வடிவம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த வடிவங்கள் தான் நாங்கள் இங்கே ஷேப்ஸ் வந்து படிக்கிறோம். ஸோ இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு பேசிக் ஷேப்ஸ் வந்து 5 கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. அந்த 5க்கு முறையாக நாங்கள் தமிழ் மீனிங்கை தான் நாங்கள் இங்கே பார்க்க போகிறோம். The first one, circle. We have learned the spelling and the pronunciation. Here we are going to make sure on the Tamil meaning. The first one, circle, vattam. And the second one, oval, நீள்வட்டம். Third one, rectangle, sevaham. And the fourth one, square, saduram. And the last one, triangle, mukkoni or mukkonam and நாங்க சொல்லுவோம். So வட்டம், நீள்வட்டம், செவ்வகம், சதுரம், முக்கோணம். Right? Circle, வட்டம், oval, நீள்வட்டம், rectangle, செவ்வகம், square, சதுரம், triangle, முக்கோணம். Something went wrong. What happened? I don't know. Okay, right. Vattam, neelvattam, sevvagam, saduram. Right. Mukkonam or mukkoni. Chariya. Right. Okay. Now, my dear children, in your next slide, listen and answer. Here, we are going to do an activity for this lesson, and also today we will do a game. We will play a game. Right. Okay. Let's stay tuned. Right. Here, the activity is depend on the shapes. Listen and answer. Please look at the pictures carefully. The first one, biscuit, egg, and tennis ball, watermelon, the slice of watermelon, and the piece of pizza, chocolate bar, and a wall clock, and a plate, and also an eraser. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 pictures I gave you. Okay, let's see what is the activity. Right. Okay. What is the, you have to find out the shape of those things. Here are 10 things 10 pictures I gave you, and in your next slides you are going to identify the shapes of those things. The first one, the biscuit. What is the shape of the biscuit? My dear children, please write your answer, the full answer. You have to write the full answer. Here the formation of the answer you can see under the slide. It is dash. So this is the way to write the full answer. It is, please finished. What is the shape of the biscuit? Please write your answer. I will give the time. What is the shape of the biscuit? Okay, I hope you will definitely write the answer. Please write maximum, try to write your answer. Okay, in your next slide, what is the shape of the ball? It is a tennis ball, so please write the answer correctly. What is the shape of the ball? It is dash. Okay, the next one, what is the shape of the egg? What is the shape of the egg? In your next slide, we are going to write, yeah, this one. What is the shape of the eraser? It is dash. Please write your answer. Right? In your next slide, what is the shape of watermelon? What is the shape of watermelon? Look at the pictures carefully, then identify the shape. Then you can write the answer in the blank. My dear children, we will correct the answers and put the marks 10 out of what? Okay. In your next slide, what is the shape of this piece of watermelon. Piece of watermelon. You have to identify the shape of this piece of watermelon. Okay, in your next slide, what is the shape of the plate? I have had my breakfast in this plate. What is the shape of the plate? Have you written? Yes, I hope you have written. And next question, what is the shape of this slice of pizza? This slice of pizza, you have to find out this slice of pizza, not the whole pizza. You have to find out the separate piece, okay, the separated piece. What is the shape of this slice of pizza? Please understand the question first. What is the shape of this slice of pizza? Okay. Next question. What is the shape of the wall clock? Very simple. What is the shape of the wall clock? What is the shape of the wall clock? Next question. I think it is last one. Oh, I don't know. What is the shape of this bar of chocolate? What is the shape of this bar of chocolate? It is dash. Okay. My dear children, we have learned only 5 shapes. Right. Time to check your answers. Are you all ready to put the mark? Right. You have to send me a picture of the corrections, okay? Right, in your Viber group or WhatsApp. Right, time to check your answers. Now, I'm also check my answers, okay? Right. Yeah, the first question is, please read the question with me. What is the shape of the biscuit? Biscuit. It is square, right? Oh, the correction should be corrected in a time. Yes. Okay. Now, what is the shape of the biscuit? Okay, what is that shape? It is square. Yes. My answer also correct. Okay, please put the mark, right mark. Correct பண்ணுங்க. You can correct your answers. It is square. Right. The next question. What is the shape of the ball? Yes, it is circle. Wow, my answer also correct. Please correct your answers. It is circle. Your next slide and also your next question. What is the shape of the egg? What's the shape? It is oval. Oh my god, my answer also correct. Please correct your answer. And also please check the spelling. O-V-A-L, oval. Right? Okay, let's see the next question. What is the shape of the eraser? What's the shape? It is rectangle. Wow, my answer also correct. Rectangle. It is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Please put the mark. And the next one. What is the shape of watermelon? What's the shape? It is oval. Yes, please correct yourself, your answer. It is oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. If your answer or if your spelling is wrong, please put wrong. Okay, please correct your spellings. O-V-A-L, oval. It is oval. And your next question. What is the shape of the piece of watermelon? What's the shape? It is triangle. Yes, very good. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. It is triangle. Yes, very good. Okay, shall we check the check the next answer? Yes. What is the shape of the plate? What's the shape? It is circle. Obviously, we can say the answer correctly. It is circle. Right? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Very good. Please put correct. Right? In your next slide, the question is, what is the shape of the slice of pizza? This we should see the slice of pizza, not the whole pizza. Whole pizza is a circle, the shape of circle. But here the question, in the question, the word is mentioned here, the slice of pizza. The slice, okay, the portion, the slice of pizza. So it is triangle. It is triangle. So spelling for triangle is T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Your next question. What is the shape of the wall clock? What's the shape? It is square. Yes. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. And again, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Right? Your next question, what is the shape of the bar of chocolate? What is the shape of the bar of chocolate? It is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. And again, R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay. Now, my dear children, I have got 10 out of 10. So what is yours? I eagerly waiting. Please send your marks in the Zoom, the English group. You can send through the Viber group. Okay, now we are going to play a game. It is a small game, but you can play this game in your home with your friends or with your siblings or with your parents. Now we are going to take our book in page number 65. Before that, here the page number 64, please. Okay, look at the shapes. Take a dice and play the game. Here, my dear children, I have a dice. Okay, I'm going to roll the dice and we have to play this game for 3 times, right? But in your home, you can play this game more and more. Okay, look at the heading. Look at the shapes for the price. The first one is a circle. It is 50 rupees. And the next one, it is a rectangle. It is 35 rupees. Next shape is square. It is 25 rupees. And the last one is a triangle. It is 40 rupees. So my dear children, please memorize the prices of the shapes. Circle 50 rupees, rectangle 35 rupees, square 25 rupees, triangle 40 rupees. Now here the instruction to me, the student should roll the dice and identify the shapes in the picture. Then they should look at the price of the shapes and in page 64 and say the price. But here the thing is, I'm going to roll the dice. Here I have a beautiful red dice. Do you wanna look at my dice? Yes, here is that. This is my beautiful dice, right? Okay, now my dear children, do I want to tell the instruction in Tamil? No, I don't. So my dear children, please understand the game properly, then you can play in your home. The first instruction to me is I'm going to roll the dice, and here are the boxes. That is the way we are going to move on. Okay, start here. I'm going to start. First, I'm going to roll my dice. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, number 4. I got number 4. Let's count. 1, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, number 4. So here in this box, I'm going to name this shape. So what's the shape? It is rectangle or it is square. What's that? Oh, I'm confused. What is it? Please tell the answer. I don't know the answer. Please tell my dear students, please tell the answer. What is it? It is rectangle. Wow, very good. So let's spell for rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay, now my second chance. I'm going to roll the dice. Yes. What is the number? It is 6. Wow, the great. It is 6. Okay, from here I'm going to count for 6. I am in number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are in number 10. Now we are in number 10. How much is a biscuit? So here the first activity is, what we are going to do is, we have to identify the shape first. What's the shape? It is square. Square. Right. Now let's see the price for square. What's the price for square? Yes, it is 25 rupees. So my answer is, it is 25 rupees. So my dear children, we already have learned to write the answer to the question how much. So we have to start our answer in it is. So please write the answer in a proper way. So it is IT, it is IS, it is 25 rupees. You all know to write 25 rupees. So my answer is, it is 25 rupees. Okay, let's roll the dice again. The last chance. Right. Wow, it is 5, number 5. So I'm going to start from the next slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we are in the box number 9. We are in the box number 9. In this box, the question is, how much is a clock? So here we have to find out the shape of the clock. This is a wall clock. This is the shape of circle, right? Okay, let's check the price. Wow, circle, 50 rupees. So here the price of clock is 50 rupees. The answer, we can write the answer in a proper way, because we have already learned the way to write the answer to the question how much. So it is IT, it is IS, it is 50 rupees. You know to write 50 rupees. So my dear children, this is the game to play, and you can play this game in your home and enjoy with your friends or with your siblings or with your parents, right? Okay, right. Are you all clear with the today's lesson? Yes, I hope so. And my dear children, I kindly request you all to play this game in your home and enjoy this holiday. Okay, right. These are the things I have prepared for today's lesson. I think this is the time to stop our lesson now. We will meet on, I think, Thursday. Yes, we will meet on Thursday. And till then, you all take care and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.